Hey guys, how's it going? Wayde Nakasone, WaydeNakasone.com, your Hawaii mortgage advisor. Today's video, I want to discuss the process of getting pre-qualified or pre-approved for your loan. What I like to do is have a conversation because the application is 7 pages, and if you were to fill it out online, which is easy to do and it's convenient, you can do it on your own time. But even if after you complete that and that gets forwarded to me through via email or through an app, I'm going to have a lot of questions. And typically, any good mortgage professional will have some questions, unless you're the typical W-2 cookie cutter, 25% down borrower, which is very rare nowadays with 800 credit scores. Any mortgage lender is going to have questions. If you are self-employed, if you are commission-based, um, um, any lender is going to have questions. So um, I like to get on the phone, 10-15 minutes, have a great conversation, and even after receiving an application, just so that we can get through and be very thorough about exactly how your income is made and all those kind of good things. It is time consuming, but at the end we get there quicker, and the process goes a lot smoother. And the big one for me is there are no surprises. We've discussed every possible angle. We've discussed potential gift funds from family members. I mean, we've discussed everything, and we've turned over every stone, and we've exhausted all of our options. We know exactly where we're going to go, how we're going to get there, and we can figure out how much you can qualify for. So second piece to that is pulling credit. Now, a lot of people don't want credit pulled, and that's understandable. But at some point, you're going to want to get your credit pulled, because we want to make sure, number one, it's not erroneous. Number two, before you go house hunting, we need to ensure that you qualify exactly for what we desire. And we know there's not going to be any surprises at the end of the day. So we need to pull credit. Our programs and pricing, a lot of it is dependent upon down payment. A lot of it is dependent upon exact credit score, and ability to finance is directly attributed to that. So that's a huge one. The last thing is obtaining financials. If you're just kicking tires, you're really not committed. You really don't want to go shopping. You're just window shopping. And honestly, it's not helpful to you. It's like dating. You know what I mean? It's like you can date and date and date, but at some point you got to pull the trigger, right? And you got to, you see something you like and you want to keep it, then maybe you got to get married. Maybe that's a horrible analogy. You got to dive in with both feet, and providing your financials and knowing you can qualify for something is a heck of a lot better than hoping you can qualify for something and then going through the process, getting into contract, and then figuring out that you can't afford it, or even worse, that there's something on the credit that is going to hold us back from this purchase. So that's the process of getting pre-qualified. It's really not that daunting. It's not very difficult. Pre-qualification, getting pre-approved by a mortgage lender, most important thing prior to home shopping. I can't emphasize that enough. That is the goal here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, like, subscribe, share, and hopefully that's helpful for you. Don't be afraid. Buying a home is a daunting task, but if you're working with the right team, the right mortgage professional, the right real estate company or realtor with a great support staff, buying a home shouldn't be that difficult or stressful. So keep that in mind. And as always, make it a great day.